Because of your smell. And Tiba cleaned the room for his grace. Who allow things to be worse to show you that he is the best.
Hallelujah.
Remember Elijah at the Mount Carmel. I tell a couple of it out to God. Call your God. Amemeza tukambe ulele. Because abantu bawushipa ngoNkulunkulu balala.
Hi. Aya.
Let me call my God. And before he biza ngoNkulunkulu, laziness. Pour water.
Tell Amas.
Make it difficult.
Yo.
So that I may show you that what is impossible with man, it is possible with God. He wants to show up when things are messed up. He wants to show up when it's famine. He wants to show up when the people say it's over. Don't go down to Egypt. Don't go down to the devil. Stay and say that way. Things that calls you down. Satan walk in. I know how I want to treat my out of the one. Zamaya if I really know it's about it, to have an apple, so I will read. In a little bit, and 20 months a little more than I got. There is favor for family. In the awkward time, God operates better when systems has failed. Wait until everyone say it's impossible, and when people say it cannot be done, what things?
Hallelujah.
Can I see the Isaac generation tonight? So this I'm here to raise an Isaac generation, the generation that refused to go to Egypt. And you must listen to what language you are doing. I am blessing you, or I will.
Yo.
I will bless you. Why? He will always say a word before he manifests the word.
Oh.
So that you don't have to see the power, you must believe his word.
All right. Ushilo.
You know, sometimes there is nothing to show, but we are holding to what he said. If God says stand, stand, even if you don't understand.
Hey. Aya.
Sometimes we stand, but we don't even understand. After meeting your moms, we shake you up. I can see my pain, but I can see my struggle, but